Pekin's in central Illinois, approximately 35,000 population. It's a pretty close-knit community, very, very good people in the town, and we suffer the same things that cities around us and nationwide suffer. It's something that we battle with every day. With Ahen, we actually have very good luck with him. Phenomenal dog for us for the last 6-7 years. It's just, we've been very lucky.
Ahen and Sergeant Jones, they took K9 program to another level. They certainly set the bar high. Total of money and drugs that were located and seized totaled up to about $1 million. Officer Jones is now Sergeant Jones, and part of that is probably going to end up with Ahen retiring very soon. We're going to slowly transition him out, which is probably going to be before the end of this year.
Agents typically have a budget that maintains the dog throughout the year, but initially starting a program there's a huge, huge expenditure within the department.
When we participated in the grant opportunity, it was just amazing to us how many people flooded social media to vote and support us.
Truly meant a lot to us to see that kind of support, and having the availability of Aftermath that give us the chance to continue the program regardless is just, I don't know how to put a value on that. It was kind of surreal to see that, you know, the town of 35,000 people garnered the support to beat out cities with millions of residents. So it was really kind of cool to see. It ensured that our program continued.
We have already obtained another K9, and we are going to be adding him into the fleet in the very near future. As soon as he's trained and certified, we probably wouldn't have been able to do that had we not been part of this grant opportunity.
My name is Ryan Smith. I've been a patrol officer here for 9 years. I'm the newly appointed K9 officer, and I will soon be joined by my new partner, Hans. Hans is a 17-month-old German Shepherd. We just recently went and selected him from a kennel in Indiana. In about a week and a half, we leave for 10 weeks of pretty intensive training. I'm at the State Police Academy, where he'll learn basic obedience, tracking, sniffing drugs, all that.
I'm very excited. Officer Smith, I have no doubt, is going to do a phenomenal job with Hans. Hans is a very good temperament dog, tested very well, and I think he's going to do very well for the Pekin Police Department.